Hey there, renovation enthusiasts. My name's Adam, and this is my renovation here on Iris Street. This is the 104th week of my renovation. Primarily this week, I do a little bit more drywall mudding, spend some time with my sister and her kids, and then work on the porch a bit. It's one of the last nice weeks of the year, so I wish I had more nice weather after this, but I get what I get. So, it's been a while since I've edited some videos. Let's see if we can get back into it. This week is a bit of a hodgepodge of activities. I start the week off by trying to get as much drywall taping done as I can. There's so many little rooms and nooks and closets once you start getting into the taping that the task of taping an entire house by yourself is kind of overwhelming. So the goal here is I just want to try to get a little bit of taping done every night, and hopefully before long I'll have the entire house taped. With the days growing shorter, my daylight time after work is shrinking. On this day, I do a little mortar repair outside on the porch before I can go ahead and put up that final wall. These bricks were damaged during demo. On Friday, I used the remaining daylight to build the final window panel for the east wall. There's 3 panels on the east wall. 2 of them are window panels, and the middle one is the section the door will be framed into. So after this window panel goes up, all that I will have left framing-wise for the exterior walls of the porch is going to be that door slot. Over the weekend, I actually took a break from the house, which is rare for me, but my folks were out of town and my sister was busy and my nieces needed someone to watch them, so I was glad to head out to Sterling and do that. Honestly, it's always good when little things pop up that make me take a break from the house because I just work too much, and Willow is just growing right up before our eyes, so it's good to see her from time to time too. Should we run? Ooh. I'm super stoked that Lila is starting band this year. She's playing trumpet, and we're having some fun seeing if Willow can play too. My backyard's gonna be pretty nice when I'm done with it, but I will never have a backyard like my mom and dad have out here in Brush. It's gorgeous in the fall time and incredibly peaceful. So before heading up to Broomfield, I enjoy the morning out in Brush, and then it's back to the porch. Today, on Sunday, my main goal is to get this doorway framed in so I can start hanging up windows and start hanging up exterior members of the house. I perfectly calculated how much OSB I would need for this porch exterior, and the job of hanging it up went pretty quickly. I was debating on cutting out these windows with a saw, but in the end, I had a good router and a flushing bit, and I've seen other people do it that way, and that's what I went with, and it cut through that OSB like butter and perfectly got the shape of these windows. So I'm really happy with how this porch is coming along. All the OSB is hung, all the windows and entrances are cut up, and now I can start adding the Tyvek. The Tyvek is of course that waterproofing membrane layer, and you'll see here I'm actually folding the Tyvek in. I quickly realized that as per the manufacturer and other YouTube videos, you don't want to do it that way. So you'll see me basically just flush it to the house, and I'll modify that down the road. But that's going to be a wrap for this week. See you next week.